Did he soften his stance about his successor, Bongbong Marcos? Because apparently for him, the Marcos administration did not commit any serious mistakes so far. During the Partido Democratico Pilipino National Assembly in Davao City, Duterte said he will be the first one to call out Marcos if he did something wrong. He insisted that he can still, quote, bear with him. The former president and his family was previously in word war with PBBM. He previously accused Marcos of taking illegal drugs. Meanwhile, his daughter, Vice President Sara Duterte, said he will never or she will never team up against the president.
Parang napaka-contrasting yung sinabi ni PRRD about BBM. Just kailan yung mga scathing speeches niya against PBBM, di ba? Yayain kita mag-drug test. And then all of a sudden, okay na sa kanya. Si toning down kasi yung support, yung numbers ng Duterte were going down.
Yes, mga trend niya, pababa.
Pababa sila. So is he now reverting to being a little friendlier? Well, VP Sara doesn't seem like it.
Baliktad din yung kay Sara Kasi yung, di ba nga dati, unity ng unity.
Yes.
Ngayon, ang sabi, she was never friends daw. Ang kaibigan niya daw is si
Aimee,
Senator Aimee.
And take note, si VP Sara used the word never again, which is associated with
That's
Aquinos,
right.
diba?
Oo.
And she visited Lenny Robredo,
correct.
former VP Lenny Robredo. So what's going on? Pero ngayon, si PRRD naman, okay naman daw si PBBM. Magkaiba na naman sila.
At wala pa daw serious mistake, ang sabi.
Aside from him accusing him of being a drug addict, wala pang serious mistake. Kasi malapit na ang October.
Ayan.
Filing na po ng certificate.
Nagbabago ang ihip ng panahon.
Let's
Minsan
see.
literal din yun, ano? Siyempre, maulan din ngayon.
Overmonths na rin.
Oo.
Overmonths na rin. Nako. Pero we'll see kasi we still don't know yung final lineup or those who are decided to run for Senate or sa local. Madami pang pwede daw mag-iba.
Yes.
Basta ang nakaset lang yung so far lineup ni PRRD. You have Philip Salvador who's running for Mayor, Bongo Yabato, mga re-electionists yan.
Yes.
And when the numbers nga came, we were saying kanina, when the numbers came out, medyo bumaba sila Bato sa surveys.
Kasi associated din.
Associated sa PRRD. And of course, you have the inclusion of two Tulfos in the top two.
That's right.
So medyo talagang bababa yung iba.